Before getting into the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a video.
Let us understand how this in keyword is used for list. Previously, we had known how to use or implement in keywords in regular programs, but in case of list, we can use it to check whether a particular element is present inside a list or not. So again, if we have a list which is fruits and in it we have orange, apple, pear, banana, kiwi, and if we wish to check that apple is present in the list or not, so we will write if apple, and this apple must be inside double quote or single quote in order to specify that it is a string data type which is present in the list. So the string in fruits, then colon, and after that if it is present then we can write a statement, say we will write print it is present, then else colon print not present. Now let us run this, and since apple was present it is giving us the output as it is present. And what if we take certain data element which is not present in the list? Let's say we write mango. If mango in fruits, rest remains the same. And now let us run it. So it is giving us the output as not present. So this was in keyword. And now let us take more example of another methods used in a list. We have the count method, which is used to count the occurrence of a particular element in a list. Just like the count method we used in string, in the same way it is used for the list. So suppose we have the list in which we repeat some elements. Let's say we repeat the apple and banana. So our list is fruits, which is equal to orange, apple, pear, banana, kiwi, apple, banana. So apple is occurring two times and banana has two occurrence in the list. So now if we wish to know how many times a particular element is occurring in a list, we write print fruits dot count, and inside the parenthesis write the element whose value of occurrence you wish to know. So in our case, let us know the occurrence of apple. So when we run this, we are getting the output as 2. Since apple was 2 times inside the list, hence we are getting the output as 2. Similarly, if we write for orange, that is print fruits dot counts dot orange, we are getting the output as 1. So this is count method. Now another method is the sort method. So in order to sort your list in alphabetical order, you use the sort method. So here we simply write fruits dot sort, and after that we write print fruits in another line. So this sort method is basically sorting every element in the alphabetical order, and it is changing in the original list. That's why we are writing it in another line in order to know that whether it is a temporary change or a permanent change. So basically it is changing the original list, so the output will be apple, apple, banana, banana, kiwi, orange, pear. So it is sorted in alphabetical order. Similarly, we can sort the list for numbers or integers. Suppose we have a list numbers which is equals to 3, 5, 1, 9, 10. And now if we use the method sort, so we write numbers dot sort, and then in the next line we have to print it, so we write print numbers. And now let us run this. So this is giving us the output 1, 3, 5, 9, 10. Now these numbers are also sorted in ascending orders. That is how we use the sort method for words or numbers. Another is the sorted function. So this sort method used to sort the list in a particular manner permanently, but this sorted function is used for a temporary change. Like if we wish to again change this print sorted numbers, and now we run it, so it is giving us 1 3 5 9 10. But again, if we print numbers, if we wish to know if the original list is changed or not, let us print the original list, print numbers. So it is giving us back the value 3 5 1 9 10, which means it hasn't changed. This makes us clear that sorted function is does not make any change inside the original list, while the sort method changes the original list. The next method is the clear method. So as the name suggests, clear method is used to clear the elements inside a list. So how this method is used, simply write numbers dot clear, and now let us print this, print numbers. So it won't be printing any element because our list is cleared. So the output is an empty list, that is square bracket open and square bracket close. This is how clear method works. The next is the copy method. Copy method inside a list just copies the element of a list into another list. So suppose we have defined another list named numbers copy equal to numbers dot copy. So it will take the elements, that is the elements of the list numbers will be copied to a new list named numbers copy. And now let us print this, print numbers copy, and as we run this we are getting the output as the list similar to the numbers, which is 3 5 1 9 10, which means every element of the list in numbers have been copied to numbers copy. So these were the methods which are used in list. So we discussed in keywords count method, sort method, sorted function, clear, and copy methods too. Now you can implement these methods according to their usage and timely implementations.
If you like this video, hit the like button. Thank you.